Here's an interesting app which is called 1111 Faster Internet. It is built by Cloudflare. So yeah, I'm just curious to explore it and show it to you guys. So easily turn 1111 with Warp on or off anytime, just a few taps. The free app that makes your internet more private. No one should be able to snoop on what you do on the internet. We have created this app so that you can connect to the internet securely anytime, anywhere. Greater privacy, better security, easy to use. Yeah, interesting. So let's just open it up. So when the internet was built, computers weren't mobile. Those days are long gone. This assumption made 30 years ago are now making your internet experience slow and secure. This app with Warp replaces the connection between your phone and internet with a modern optimized protocol. So then you can install a VPN profile that allows to secure internet traffic. And then you can just add your VPN configuration. And then you can just enable like this and then secure your connection. And now your internet is private. So yeah, and then in the top part, you will see VPN configuration. Yep. So that's basically it. So that's that. By tapping subscribe, you will upgrade to Warp Plus. $4.99 will be charged to your iTunes account for a 1 month subscription of Warp Plus Unlimited. So yeah, you can send some feedback. You can refer a friend and get 1 gigabyte. So Warp Plus sends your request over carefully chosen routes designed to avoid internet traffic jams. So yeah, Cloudflare is one of the leaders in the market in creating content delivery networks, like protecting your website from like some kinds of DDoS attacks, like making sure that your website is alive and many other things. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you can just disable and then you can just go here and then just search for VPN configurations. VPN device management, and then you can see all these VPN configurations, and then you can also delete them. So yeah.